Boys and girls, upper control arm, aluminum. This is some heavy shit. This is amazingly highly made. Serviceable ball joint. Guys, look at this engineering. Aluminum, and this is metal. That's heavy. Those are not serviceable. Those are locked, sealed. These, you can swap them, changeable. But look at freaking this. Look at this. It's amazing. I have the Bowstein right now. This is exactly like the Bowstein, but sealed ball joint. Another color is going to be available, the blue and then the black. This is so good. I can't wait to put it on. UCAs. Guys, with the cover, wow. Check them out. Link is going to be active soon.